How to take long scrolling screenshots in laptop Windows 10. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a long screenshots on laptop running Windows 10. So this is quick and easy way to capture a scrolling screenshots on long web page. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open Chrome browser on your laptop and go to the web page that you want to capture. Here I have already opened Wikipedia page about the Lionel Messi. So here simply scroll down the page to make sure that the entire page loads up properly. And once you have done that, simply right click on anywhere on the web page and a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled as inspect. And here after clicking on that, on the right side simply click on toggle device toolbar icon, and after that on the left panel simply click the three dots menu and select capture full size screenshots from the drop down menu. And now you just have to wait a few seconds and screenshot will automatically download. And that's it. That's how you can take long scrolling screenshots on laptop Windows 10. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.